welcome back to the kitchen. Today I wanted to pop on here. It's not like a normal regular upload day, but this deal is just too good to not inform you about. Today our video is sponsored by ButcherBox, and they sent me a lovely box full of their wonderful pasture-raised, grass-fed meats, and they sent me a free turkey in my box. And you can get a free turkey from them as well. Today is Thursday, November 4th. Tomorrow, on November 5th, is Free Turkey Friday. And what's special about that is if you are a new customer to ButcherBox and you sign up, you will get not only a free turkey with your order of your first box, you will get $100 credit. That would be $20 off 5 other boxes per month. So when you would order your next 5 boxes, you're going to get $20 off each of those boxes until that equals $100. That is a generous promotion, and I think with considering what's going on today with the supply chain and all of that mess, wouldn't it be nice to know that you would have a fresh, all natural, all vegetable diet, no preservatives, raised without any antibiotics, completely traceable and gluten-free turkey delivered to your door completely free when you order your first box from ButcherBox. Now, I've been using ButcherBox for a couple of years. We could not be happier with the quality. It's delicious meat. It's always super fresh. It's always super tasty. It comes cryovac. It's packed so well in a biodegradable, compostable box. It is completely recyclable, and that is one of the great advantages of the packaging for this company. So for 24 hours only, for November 5th, new members will get up to $100 off, $20 off every box they get for 5 months, in addition to a free turkey in their first box when they use the link down below and the code turkey100 at checkout. You're gonna get high quality, great tasting meat and seafood. They have all sorts of different combo boxes you can choose from. Some are all chicken, some are all beef, some are beef and chicken combos. You can get some with seafood, some with smoked sausage. They have a really nice wide variety. They also have a ham box, they have a turkey box. If you're preparing for the holidays and maybe you live in an area where your grocery store is, you know, looking a little sparse, and you don't want to worry about getting your turkey or your ham for the holidays, ButcherBox might be a great option for you. Thanksgiving is going to be here before you know it, but this offer is only good for 24 hours on November 5th. And new members, like I said, they're going to get $100 off their membership plus a free all-natural turkey in their first box. So make sure you sign up for ButcherBox today. Get your $100, $20 off each box for your first 5 months, plus get a free all-natural turkey, which is up to a $40 value. And you're going to get to enjoy high-quality meat delivered to your door and more. ButcherBox has a mission, and their mission is that they believe in better. Better for them. Better means caring about animals and our planet. It means improving the livelihoods of farmers. Ultimately, it means better meals enjoyed together. It's why they deliver 100% grass-fed, grass-finished beef, free-range organic chicken, pork-raised, crate-free, wild-caught seafood, and more directly to their members' doors. And I do need to mention that ButcherBox did send me this box for free. I am a ButcherBox affiliate, so that means if you sign up using my link, I will get a small commission, but it costs you nothing and everybody's happy. I do appreciate it if you decide to support my channel by using my link. It does help me better the channel and move it forward and make more and greater videos for you and bring you better content all the time. This is time sensitive. I really wanted to get this up for you today. Get your free turkey, sign up, get your $100 credit, $20 off your next 5 boxes. ButcherBox is really a company that you can count on. I have other people who have ordered from this who really enjoy it. I mean, look at this is what I got in my box. This is 3 pounds of chicken party wings. These are 4 ribeye steaks, and they are really nice. They're 10-ounce ribeyes, and I don't know about you guys, but the grocery store beef prices are ridiculous, and those are not grass-fed or grass-finished meat, so keep that in mind. I also got 2 pounds of Applewood smoked uncured bacon, and this is the best bacon I'm not joking. This is really, really delicious bacon. It's great to have this in your freezer. ButcherBox is always offering promotions for their members. They also will email you with special offers, and you're always going to be able to take advantage of those. So this is just for your consideration. I appreciate you watching. I appreciate you considering. If you would be so generous, if you're going to do it, use the link down below. This is a real deal. It's a really nice turkey. This is a 13.5 pound turkey, and there's gonna be between a 13 and 15 pound turkey in your box with your first order, and I think that is really spectacular. I hope you give it a try. I hope you love it. Information down in the description box below. And until next time, happy holidays.